Hey beauties, it's Riri and welcome back to the finale of Durismus. Today's video is a collab with my beautiful friend Caitlin over at CP Fashion Cosmetics. Please go check out her channel, tell her that Riri sent you, and y'all know what I say. If you go watch her and you are feeling a vibe, you feel a connection, you can relate to her, subscribe. It is free for you.
Free.
And it would mean the world to her and myself. If you're coming from Caitlin's channel, hey beautiful, welcome to my beauty family. This is literally gonna be the easiest silver and gold New Year's Eve look you've ever seen and that you'll ever do. I wanted to do something for this look that was gonna be incredibly easy, very beginner friendly, and very much a last minute look. Anybody can do it. All you need is a silver metallic and a gold metallic. And I'm also going to showcase two different variations as well. So we're going to dive in. As you can see, I just have my brows done. They are my Urban Decay Brow Blade in Brunette Betty for the pencil part of it. And the front little strokes are my Juvias Place Brow Pen. And then I primed, of course, with my ABH eye primer because, I mean, it's my favorite. So I'm literally going to go in, and this is going to be less than 5 minutes as far as the eyeshadow look goes. And then of course you would do your base. I'm going to go in first with my JD Glow Hey Papi. This is the Metalon collection. And you guys, if you saw my JD Glow Cosmetics very first review and first swatching of their products, I was absolutely blown away. I'll pop that video up here. And so many of you guys have been telling me to try these products for a long time, and they're very much worth the hype. These are my all-time favorite single shadows ever. And they ended up watching my video, you guys, and contacted me, and I am now an affiliate with freaking JD Glow Cosmetics. Y'all, we are kicking ass and taking names this year. I cannot tell you how grateful I am. Like, when I say we are ending this year with a bang, thank goodness, we're ending the year with a bang. There's been so much going on, and I'm blown away. So I do have a discount code. It is going to be down below, and I do receive a small commission for that. I will say, however, they have a sale right now for 35% off with code Santa35. I'll pop it up here. So don't use my code if you can save 35% instead of 10%. Okay, you can try my code. I'm not sure if the codes are layerable, but save 35%. The sale ends at the end of today on the 31st. So you guys, the hype is real. Anyways, I'm literally going to take my finger. We are going to go in and I'm going to put this on pretty much the entire lid. I'm going to save a little bit of space in the front half for my silver. And my mirror is right here. I'm literally, you guys, going to press, again, leaving just a little bit of space. Oh my god, you guys, when I say these shadows they are my favorite single shadows I've ever tried. You're gonna get a little bit of fallout, and as you can see, they kind of crumble just a little bit. They're like a more soft texture of a formula, but they are impactful as heck. Okay, they're gorgeous. The staying power is there. I tried these, I think, 2 or 3 days before Christmas, and then I used them on Christmas Eve. I used them on Christmas Day. I used them 2 days after that. I love their shadows. Love. So I was like, what could I do for this look with me and Caitlin that could literally be super impactful, and it could be any beautiful, beaming, high shine, like glass, like gold and silver that you have. It doesn't have to be the products that I'm using right now. But as long as you have literally a silver and a gold lying around, you can do this look, and it is incredibly, incredibly quick. I'm not worried about right now. You can see I'm kind of bringing it all the way down. I'm not worried about any kind of mess. I'm not going to worry about any kind of fallout. That's why I did not do my base just yet. But yeah, they're beautiful, incredibly beautiful. And you can see I'm bringing it almost all the way up. I'm not doing a transition shade. I'm not doing any of that. And then I'm keeping it just like this. And I'm going to go into my Jouer Ultra Full Eyeshadow Palette. I've raved about this many, many times. And I'm going to use a combination of kind of the more gunmetal silver in here, and then the more kind of very icy silver in here. Again, I'm going in with my finger. I'm trying not to blind you guys. I'm going in with my fingers, and I'm using a mixture of the two. And I'm going to pop this on the inner part and bring it slightly into the gold. And if you do not have short nails like myself, you can go in with a small pencil brush, or you can go in with a very small flat top rounded brush, and you'll get that nice, and then you can get into kind of the little nooks and crannies, if you will. And then because I do want to build it up a little bit here and be slightly more precise, I am going to go with my little pencil brush. And again, I'm going between both of these silvers. And I really want to build up the inner corner. I'm not going to do the lower lash line or anything right now. And I'm going to bring it up just to meet the gold. Now I'm going to take some micellar water and clean up, and I'm going to do my base. I'll do it with you guys, but I'll speed that part up, and then I'll show you the other two variations. All right, beauties, we are gonna top off our first version of our silver and gold glam last minute, super quick and super easy look with the Skinny Dip Lip Topper from Jouer. It is a gold glitter topper. And it smells like baked goods. And you don't feel the shimmers, but they're, again, very impactful. And obviously, if you have oily skin or you don't like as much of a glow as I do, you don't have to do all the extra glow, but I just feel like for nighttime, look how impactful this is and how incredibly easy it is. So this is version number 1, and then I will show you very quickly how to switch it up to do version 2 and a version 3, and of course, you could add some beautiful dramatic lashes if you wanted to. Please go check out Caitlin, show her some love. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe, and be your own best beautiful.